Hey, Dr. Nicola here. Here is an example of a guided imagery visualization technique for children. Remember, the effectiveness of visualization is largely influenced by a soothing voice and rhythm. So speak slowly and with a calming tone. If you'd like, play calming music in the background, just like this. Let's begin. All right, little one. It's time to snuggle up in your cozy bed and get ready for your wonderful journey. I invite you to close your eyes and take a deep breath. In and out. Yes, just like that. Now let's get started with our bedtime adventure. Imagine a beautiful night. Above you, the sky is twinkling with million stars. The moon is so big and so bright, it seems as if it's smiling just for you. The air is just right, and it carries the soft scent of blooming night flowers. In front of you, there's a soft silvery path. That's the Moonbeam path. It's special because it only appears at night when children like you are ready to go on into their dream adventures. The path is wide and comfortable, and it leads all the way up to the glowing moon. As you take the first step on the path, you feel lighter, like you're slowly starting to float. With every step you take, you feel more and more relaxed. You're no longer walking, you're drifting slowly. The path is gently carrying you towards the moon. Up ahead, you see a friendly figure. That's the Sandman, the guardian of sweet dreams. He's been waiting for you. With his gentle voice, he welcomes you to dreamland. In his hand, he holds a small bag of magical dream sand. As you approach, he lightly sprinkles some of the dream sand over you. It sparkles in the moonlight before touching you. And as it does, a wonderful warmth spreads through you. You feel even more relaxed. Your body feels light and floaty, and your mind is filled with gentle, peaceful thoughts. The Sandman guides you further along the Moonbeam path, telling you gentle, soothing stories of dreamland. Each word he speaks makes you feel more and more relaxed. By the time you reach the end of the path, you're ready to drift off into a peaceful sleep. There's a big fluffy cloud waiting just for you. It's the softest thing you've ever felt. The cloud gently carries you towards the moon. You're safe and snug in your cloud bed, and the moon is shining its soft, comforting light on you. And you know that as long as the moon is watching over you, you'll have the sweetest dreams. It's time now to drift off to sleep, knowing you'll wake up in your own bed, feeling refreshed and happy. Remember, every time you need to find this peaceful space, just follow the moon path in your mind. Now, sweet dreams, little one, and good night. Parents and caregivers, if you'd like a copy of this guided imagery story, there's a link in the description below where you can access it for free. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a wonderful good night.